How to merge C and D drive in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can merge C and D drive in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. In your Windows 11, you can merge your C drive and your D drive using the disk management. So for that, you have to click on the search bar, and in the search bar type in partition, and here you have to click on create and format hard disk partitions. That's gonna open up disk management in your device. But before you merge your C drive or your C drive and your D drive, make sure you have backed up all of your important data from the D drive, as merging with C drive will delete all of the data from the D drive. So make sure to back up your important data from your D drive. So once you have backed up all of your important data, in order to merge your D drive with your C drive, head towards your D drive and right click on it. A menu box will pop up. From here you have to select delete volume, and this will erase all of the data on D drive. Now this space will now show as unallocated in your D drive. After that, head towards your C drive and again right click on it. From this menu box, again you have to click on extend volume. After you do that, you will see another pop-up box. There click on next and select unallocated space. After that, click on next and then click on finish. Now your C drive is merged with the unallocated space, that is your D drive. So in this way, you can merge your C drive and D drive. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.